wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best tabletop lazy Susans. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Expansive in size and made from tough thermoplastic, the Happy Dine Table Train is a convenient option for large families and those who host frequent gatherings at home. It can withstand a temperature of 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It supports up to 8 place settings and is a good choice for buffets. However, the guide rails are fragile. At number 9, each Driini Premium is sourced from a fir wood tree stump and individually handcrafted, which means that no two are completely identical in shape, size or grain pattern. The stain-resistant finish can withstand spills and greasy foods. It comes with a heavy-duty aluminum base and a 2-year warranty, but it can be hard to spin. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Piazza Pisano Bordeaux sports digital reproductions of wood carvings by American artist Al Pisano on its surface. It comes with a scratch-resistant coating and is good for serving cold drinks. However, it is quite heavy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Lazy Susans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, made from durable rust-resistant stainless steel, the trays on the Lovotex stand can support heavy weights, making this a dependable option for coffee, tea, finger foods, or main courses. It features an attractive brushed finish and can withstand extreme temperatures, but it is a bit wobbly. Moving up our list to number 6. Setting the x-cosrack 2-tier apart from the competition are its 6 removable dividers, which make it possible to customize the size of each compartment on the upper level. A silicone pad prevents scratches to surfaces. It's easy to assemble and suitable as a spice rack. However, it tends to dent easily. Halfway up our list at number 5. The OXO Good Grips turntable is equipped with a wide base and spins freely. It can hold anything from bulky condiments to spices and glass jars. It's relatively lightweight and available in 2 sizes, but it takes up a lot of space. At number 4, the Joann's Designs 1052 is made of medium-density fiberboard mounted on a small base with steel ball bearings that ensure a smooth rotation. It features a decorative leaf pattern on the border and non-marring felt pads. However, it is on the pricey side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Lipper International 1301 is made of acacia wood with an attractive grain and knot pattern. It's good for holding condiments and is a durable construction. It also comes in bamboo. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Lazy Susans, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Copco pantry offers plenty of space to accommodate dishes and everyday kitchen gadgets. Its textured liner provides stability for bottles and drinking glasses, while the raised edge prevents things from falling off it. You have a choice of several colors, and it can be used in the fridge. It's very easy to clean. And taking the top spot on our list, the rustic Master Garden barrel head is handcrafted from reclaimed French oak wine barrels and offers a stained exterior with a lacquer finish. Its zinc-plated bearing allows for easy rotation. It's kiln-dried and sanded with a 24-inch diameter. It's elegant and stylish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Lazy Susans, or simply click beneath this video.